Asia, the largest continent on Earth, is a land of immense geographical diversity and complex weather patterns. Spanning from the Arctic tundra of Siberia to the tropical rainforests of Southeast Asia, the continent encompasses a wide range of climates, landscapes, and ecosystems. This diversity is influenced by various factors, including latitude, altitude, and the presence of major mountain ranges and bodies of water. Understanding the weather patterns and climatic conditions across Asia is crucial for comprehending the continent's biodiversity, agriculture, human settlement, and economic activities. Asia is typically divided into several geographical regions, each with distinct characteristics. Northern Asia, or Siberia, is characterized by its vast expanse of tundra and taiga, experiencing extremely cold temperatures, particularly in winter. The region's harsh climate and remote location have resulted in low population density. Central Asia is dominated by arid deserts and steppe landscapes. It includes countries like Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, and Turkmenistan, which have continental climates with hot summers and cold winters. East Asia, comprising countries like China, Japan, and Korea, features a mix of temperate and subtropical climates. The region's diverse topography includes mountains, plateaus, and fertile plains. Southeast Asia is known for its tropical climate and includes countries like Thailand, Indonesia, and the Philippines. The region is characterized by high humidity, abundant rainfall, and lush vegetation. South Asia, home to the Indian subcontinent, includes countries such as India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. The region experiences a wide range of climates, from the arid Thar Desert to the tropical monsoon regions. Western Asia, or the Middle East, is primarily arid, with vast deserts like the Arabian and Syrian deserts. The climate is characterized by hot summers and mild winters, with some areas experiencing Mediterranean climate conditions. Notable geographical features of Asia include the Himalayas, the highest mountain range on Earth, and the Gobi Desert, one of the largest deserts. The continent also boasts vast river systems, including the Yangtze and Ganges, which are vital for agriculture and human habitation. Asia's climate is highly varied, with several distinct zones. Northern Asia, particularly Siberia, falls within the polar and subpolar regions. The region experiences extremely cold temperatures, with long, harsh winters and short, mild summers. Permafrost is common, and the region supports a unique ecosystem of cold-adapted flora and fauna. Central Asia and parts of East Asia experience a continental climate, characterized by large temperature variations between summer and winter. Summers can be very hot, while winters are cold, often with snow. This region includes steppes, which are vast grasslands. Much of Western Asia and parts of Central Asia are arid or semi-arid. These regions receive very little rainfall, resulting in desert landscapes. Temperatures can vary widely between day and night, and water scarcity is a significant issue. South Asia and Southeast Asia are heavily influenced by monsoons. The region experiences distinct wet and dry seasons, with the summer monsoon bringing heavy rains that are crucial for agriculture. The winter monsoon, conversely, is often dry. Southeast Asia and parts of South Asia fall within the tropical climate zone. These regions experience warm temperatures year-round, with high humidity and significant rainfall, supporting lush rainforests and diverse ecosystems. Parts of Western Asia, such as the coastal regions of the Mediterranean, experience a Mediterranean climate. This climate is characterized by hot, dry summers and mild, wet winters. The monsoon system is one of Asia's most defining climatic features. It significantly influences the weather patterns in South and Southeast Asia, affecting billions of people. During the winter months, cold, dry air flows from the interior of Asia toward the Indian Ocean, leading to dry conditions in regions like India and Southeast Asia. This season is marked by lower temperatures and less humidity. The summer monsoon occurs when moist air from the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean is drawn inland, bringing heavy rainfall to regions such as India, Bangladesh, and parts of Southeast Asia. This period is crucial for agriculture as it replenishes water supplies and supports crop growth. The monsoon's timing and intensity can vary significantly from year to year, influenced by factors such as the El Niño Southern Oscillation, or ENSO. Variations in monsoon patterns can lead to droughts or floods, with significant implications for agriculture, water resources, and the livelihoods of millions. Asia's topography plays a critical role in shaping its weather patterns. The Himalayas, the world's highest mountain range, acts as a climatic barrier. They block cold winds from Central Asia, influencing the climate of the Indian subcontinent and contributing to the formation of the monsoon system. Similarly, the Altai and Tian Shan ranges affect weather patterns in Central Asia. The Tibetan Plateau, known as the roof of the world, significantly influences weather patterns in Asia. It affects the monsoon and the jet stream, impacting the climate of surrounding regions. The Indo-Gangetic Plain, one of the world's most fertile regions, supports a large population and is heavily influenced by monsoonal rainfall. Deserts like the Gobi and the Arabian Desert experience extreme temperature variations and low precipitation. These areas are often impacted by dust storms and limited water resources. The Central Asian steppes, on the other hand, are known for their grasslands and seasonal temperature changes. Asia's extensive coastline, including areas like the South China Sea and the Bay of Bengal, experiences maritime influences. Coastal regions often have milder climates than inland areas, with higher humidity and more precipitation. Typhoons and tropical storms frequently impact East and Southeast Asia, particularly during the summer months. Human activities have significantly impacted Asia's climate and weather patterns. Urbanization, deforestation, and industrialization contribute to climate change, leading to increased temperatures, altered precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events. Rapid urbanization in cities like Tokyo, Mumbai, and Jakarta has led to the urban heat island effect, where urban areas are significantly warmer than their rural surroundings. This phenomenon exacerbates heat waves and increases energy demand for cooling. Throughout history, Asian societies have developed various methods to cope with climatic challenges. For example, terraced farming in mountainous regions helps prevent soil erosion and manage water resources. In arid regions, traditional water storage techniques such as kanats and step wells have been used to access groundwater. Today, advanced technology plays a crucial role in weather forecasting, disaster preparedness, and climate adaptation. Satellite imagery, climate models, and early warning systems help predict and mitigate the impacts of natural disasters like typhoons, floods, and droughts. Climate change poses significant challenges to Asia's diverse climate systems. The continent is expected to experience more frequent and intense extreme weather events, such as heat waves, storms, and floods. Rising sea levels threaten coastal cities and low-lying regions, while changing precipitation patterns may lead to water scarcity and affect agriculture. As global temperatures rise, Asia is likely to see an increase in extreme weather events. This includes more intense heat waves, which can have severe health and economic impacts, and more powerful typhoons, which can cause significant damage to infrastructure and livelihoods. Additionally, unpredictable rainfall patterns may lead to severe flooding in some regions and droughts in others, disrupting food production and water supply. Coastal areas in Asia, including major cities like Mumbai, Bangkok, and Jakarta, are vulnerable to rising sea levels. This can lead to coastal erosion, saltwater intrusion into freshwater resources, and displacement of populations. Low-lying island nations, such as the Maldives, face existential threats from rising oceans. Altered precipitation patterns can have profound effects on agriculture, which is a critical sector for many Asian economies. Some regions may experience reduced rainfall, leading to drought and water shortages, while others may see increased rainfall, causing floods and soil erosion. This variability poses challenges for food security and water management. To address these challenges, Asian countries are implementing a range of adaptation and mitigation strategies. These include enhancing disaster preparedness and response systems, investing in infrastructure to withstand extreme weather, and adopting sustainable agricultural practices. Efforts are also being made to reduce greenhouse gas emissions through the promotion of renewable energy sources, such as solar and wind power, and improving energy efficiency. Regional cooperation and international agreements play a crucial role in addressing climate change and its impacts. Initiatives like the ASEAN Agreement on Disaster Management and Emergency Response, AADMER, and the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, disaster management framework aim to enhance collaboration and capacity building in the region. Globally, Asian countries are key participants in international climate agreements, such as the Paris Agreement, which seeks to limit global warming and enhance adaptive capacity. Asia's vast and diverse continent encompasses a wide range of geographical features and climatic zones, from the icy expanses of Siberia to the humid tropics of Southeast Asia. This diversity is reflected in the continent's weather patterns, which are shaped by factors such as latitude, altitude, topography, and ocean currents. The monsoon system, with its seasonal shifts, plays a particularly significant role in influencing the climate and livelihoods of millions of people. The continent faces numerous challenges, including the impacts of climate change, which are exacerbating extreme weather events, rising sea levels, and changing precipitation patterns. However, Asian countries are actively working to adapt to these changes and mitigate their effects through technological innovation, policy frameworks, and international cooperation. Understanding the intricate interplay of geographical and climatic factors in Asia is essential for addressing the environmental, social, and economic challenges of the region. As Asia continues to grow and develop, managing its diverse climate and weather patterns will be crucial for ensuring sustainable development and resilience in the face of a changing climate. This extensive overview captures the diversity and complexity of Asia's geography and weather patterns, offering a comprehensive analysis from multiple angles.